It didn't even take that long from the water to start seeping in, from it to start like flowing in through like our downstairs living room, like rushing in kind of through the door and stuff like that.
This is what's left of Hannah Wolowski's house after major floodwaters rushed through her hometown of Fort McMurray earlier this week. The 18-year-old came back home at the end of March after her classes were canceled at the University of British Columbia because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Then 1 month later, her family home is underwater.
It was very devastating. It kind of kicked in like a few days ago, just like in terms of like not being able to see my room for a long time. Like I grew up in that room. I was born and raised in that house.
While most of her family's possessions can be replaced, Hannah says some memories are lost forever. Cherished items belonging to her 34-year-old sister, who passed away in 2015, was also destroyed by the flood. She says her family is devastated.
Like I called them last night and like they couldn't even say hi without starting to tear up, and I was like, I'm just trying not to cry because obviously those are your parents and it hurts to see them hurting.
Hannah's family did not have flood coverage on their home insurance. The province says those impacted will qualify for the provincial disaster recovery program, but they have not provided a dollar amount for that just yet.
I briefly talked about it with my parents. I'm trying not to, because that's obviously just like another like, oh, what are we going to do? But they were just kind of like, we're just going to have to like get funds from the bank, get a loan kind of thing, and just go from there.
For the time being, Hannah is staying with a friend while her parents are staying somewhere else. She says they aren't allowed to go back to their home yet, but will be able to in the next few days to start assessing the damages. From Edmonton, Sarolta Saskiw, City News.